Listen, I told you by the grace of God, we are the real lifesavers. A woman was told that she is suffering from menopause because her menstrual period stopped flowing suddenly, that she could not see it again for months. She flew down to Nigeria because she had been hearing about us. They repeated the same thing, that they said, Madam, you are up to the age of menopause. That is why everything has stopped. No ovulation, no menstrual flow. She made up her mind to try alka-phos in her drinking water as her last resort. When she used alka-phos for a few weeks, the story changed. Let's listen to her.
I saw this advert of yours, alkaline and alka-phos, on Facebook, and I listened to you, what you said and stuff. I said, okay, let me try this alkaline and alka-phos. I actually want to try it for something. So I ordered for it, and it came on the 10th of July. I started using it. Meanwhile, my period stopped on that's March. My period just stopped. I finished my period on February. March, my period didn't come. March, April, May, June, I didn't menstruate. June, I started using alka-phos on the 11th. I started using it on the 11th, the way you said I should leave it. On the 28th, to be precise, my period started flowing. Meanwhile, I've gone to hospital. They said there's nothing. I went to natural, this local natural massage. So I came to Nigeria. I went to Port Harcourt. I went back to him. I said, Oga, see, say no, maybe in an age or menopause. I said, which menopause? At what age? Here. I didn't say anything. I said, okay, no wahala, make it go now. When I started using alka-phos on 11th, the thing came in on 10th. On 11th, I started using it. On 28th, my period started. As in fact, as I'm talking to you, I'm still on my period. Man, oh Father, the thing is that it's working, man. It's working. Do you understand? It's working. People should go for it. They should go for it. Thank you so much. Thank you.